introduce you guys today to a product that I use to protect all of my outdoor furniture, the upholstered furniture. It's called NeverWet by Rust-Oleum. It's a petroleum-based product, and it's a spray that you put over all of your upholstered fabrics outside. And I always do it when my stuff is brand new. I get it from the store, spray everything down, and it's perfectly protected. This umbrella I forgot about. Somehow it escaped me to spray it on, and so I'm doing it retroactively this season before we get into that spring. I'm just kind of giving everything a spruce up. And so I'm going to put it here. It's super simple to use, and it will prevent all of that mold and mildew that is so big in Mobile. So I'm going to get to work on that. If you guys need a bottle, it's available on Amazon. It's also available only at Lowe's. I've never seen it at Home Depot before. I don't know why, but those are the two places you guys can go find it. So if you live around here, go get several bottles and get to work.